Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited for two reasons. Number one is that I haven't filmed a video in so long. Second reason is that I finally got my AirPods back. Well, I got new ones. I had old ones and I lost them. And I've actually had them for I brought it on I think Tuesday, and today's Friday. I've been trying so hard to not open it. I already opened it, but I'm let me just calm down and film this video. I've had AirPods for 3 years and I haven't used them. Can you imagine? Things I do for you all. If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like what you see, even if you don't like what you see, please subscribe. I'm begging. Give this video a like so it can get seen by others, and then leave a comment. Have you missed me? Leave a comment saying that you missed me. Let's get right into the video.
Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. Wine on my body, baby, wine that. She tell me say now only me, they make a move, they make a feel right now.
Let me move you guys closer. So yeah, I got the AirPods 3, which is an upgrade from the AirPods 2, which is the one I had. This would have been a comparison video, but I actually lost my AirPods, so I can't do a comparison. I'm just unboxing. The first thing I noticed right off the bat is that Apple is really serious about their sustainability thing. When they said they weren't giving new iPhones the charger head, they said it was for sustainable reasons because, producing is not good for the environment. And I kind of believe them now, because usually the packaging comes with a nylon over it, but then now the new packaging is you open it from here like this. I don't know if you can see. And down here. And it's the usual Apple packaging. We have all these plenty things inside that I read. I know most of you guys don't read these things, so after filming this video, I'm actually going to go and lie down and read everything here. And we have the AirPods inside. I don't know if you guys can fucking see. So yeah, the AirPods. Oh! And to our greatest surprise, it comes with a cord without a charger head, of course. So it's the new USB-C to Lightning ports. It wouldn't make any sense if they didn't do this anyway. So these AirPods are an upgrade from the AirPods 2, but then it has the shape of the AirPods Pro. I think it's smaller than the AirPods Pro actually. Thank God, because that case is actually way too big. So that's what it looks like. And then the back. The normal AirPods are like this, and then you open it from here, but then this one, you open it like this. So as we all know, nobody likes the other AirPods because of the tips, and then this is just cute. Oh my god, it's so short. I'm used to the longer one. I don't know if I like this one, I swear. Oh my god, I like it. Actually, I do like it. It's short, it's conspicuous. That other one was just way too long. It was up to here, and everybody knew you were wearing AirPods. But I feel like with this, well, people can still tell, but it's just a little less obvious. Let me connect it to my phone real quick. I have forgotten how to connect this thing. Okay, so it's telling me I can, but I can't connect because I haven't upgraded to iOS 15. I'm not about to download that right now, so I'll just connect it like that. So it says set up with limited functionality, so I can still set it up. Memphis's AirPods, yes sir. Okay, so I'm connected, and there's something everybody has been raving about, this new AirPods, and that's the spatial audio. So it's wait, let me just try it on first. Oh god, I just heard that doom sound. I've missed it so much. You guys, AirPods are literally a lifesaver. The person that invented AirPods are the best, and they need a raise. So I've been listening to this. I've heard it before, but then I just listened to it today, and it's buzzing. It's been on repeat. It is, I don't know the name, I can't pronounce it. It's all them South African songs. So let me just show you guys. This is the song. It is buzzing. Okay, so spatial audio. Let's see. Let me put my phone there. Guys, everybody has been talking about this spatial audio thing, but I can't seem to, I don't notice anything. So how it works is like, if your phone is here and you put the AirPods in, if you turn like this, you're going to know that, okay, you turned away from the phone that's playing. Do you get it? That makes any sense? Maybe it's because I haven't updated my phone, so I guess I'll have to update my phone and get back to you guys on that. But then there's some other new features, like on the old AirPods, you just tap here. Not here, it didn't have this, it had like a little dots. So you tap it if you want to change your music and stuff. But now it has this thing. It has this space that you can press. Or it doesn't press, it's like a sensor still. Oh, and it actually fits really nice in my ear, like it's so snug. Let me update my phone. Maybe when I'm editing I'll just like catch up with you guys. Okay, enough of that. So guys, that's it. When I update my phone, I'll catch up with you guys. And oh, someone is calling me. But I've missed AirPods so much. And I missed you guys as well. Like I missed you guys. Guys, I haven't been on YouTube for so long. Coming back in Jesus' name. God give me the grace and the strength to come back. I'm so lazy. I'm not even lazy. It's work. But yeah, that's lazy because people do work and then do YouTube as well. So let's hope for the best. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video and I promise to make another one. Okay, see you, bye.